What's up, everybody? Happy New Year. I'm just jumping on here for real to talk to y'all real quick about what I plan on doing with my art going forward. I want to first thank everybody first and foremost, especially the artists, for following me all the way up until this point. 2020 was the start of the Rolling Pin podcast, and the fact that you still here watching this video, because I probably tagged you in it. I just want to say thank you. And I really respect what you do as an artist. So if you are tagged in this post, I don't just tag you just for clickbait. I'm tagging you because I really like your artwork, But this is what I'm going to do with my art going forward, because I'm trying to add more sentiment to my artwork as I develop my craft and my skill. So y'all remember back in I forgot to twist this, but y'all remember back in the 90s, y'all remember back in the 90s where the Hasbro toys came out. I think it was the 90s. It should have been the 90s. I didn't have that many Hasbro toys, but the ones that were color-coded. Y'all remember the ones that were color-coded? They were color-coded, and they had like an English title on the, they had an English title, or they had a Spanish title, and you can collect them. You can either open them, or you can either or keep them until now. They valued very highly now. I can pull up a couple. Y'all watch these. So I want to do something similar to this with my art for real. What I'm going to start doing in 2021 this year, I'm going to start color coding the back of my canvases to add more value and more sentiment to my collection. I'm going to take the same concept and I'm going to apply it to my artwork. So throughout the year, this year, artists, and everybody for that matter, that's what I'll be doing. I just wanted to share that with y'all because, again, I value the art community that we're building right now. So that's what we're going to do. I'm more on the personal side today, and I just want to say I hope everybody has a great year, first and foremost. You don't necessarily have to make resolutions, but, just make sure everything comes to fruition that you are manifesting and thinking about. That's where I'm at. That's exactly where I'm at with my shit. Y'all keep paying and stuff for real. And I don't want to talk specifically to artists. I want to talk to everybody, but I just really like the art community. But everybody who's a wrestling fan, for that matter. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see this year in the wrestling community, or in the wrestling world, in the wrestling arena. You know what I mean? Y'all make sure y'all check out my other video about the 5 wrestlers that I think are going to have the biggest impact in 2020. 2021, sorry. Damn, I'm still in 2020 with it. 2021. Yeah. But just jumping back to that art, because that shit is on my mind. I just wanted to talk about that mainly because I'm going to take that a little bit more seriously. Everybody I paint is going to be somebody that's going to be sentimental, or somebody I'm learning about as well. You know what I mean? Everybody I'm learning about, somebody I'm learning about, a move. You know what I mean? Something to just improve my knowledge of wrestling as time goes on, because I don't know everything. You know what I mean? You don't know everything either. For real. I want to thank everybody for supporting, man. And I'm going to keep tagging y'all because I fuck with y'all. Y'all really cool, man. And I don't mean to say that to be like some internet type nigga, but you know what I mean? This is a place. This is a safe space for me to do what I like to do and share my creative work with people who value it. You know what I mean? People who appreciate it. People. That's what it's all about. Community. That's what we're doing. Yeah, I've been collecting some of those Hasbro toys too. I really like getting into that game and seeing what it's about. It's just interesting to see which ones go up in value and price and which ones go down in value and price as time progresses. I guess it's really based on the career of the wrestler for real. Yeah. But that's really it, y'all. I want y'all to have a happy new year. And y'all make sure y'all stay safe. Be blessed. This is the Rolling Pin Podcast, Gary Foods. Thank y'all so much for y'all support. Signing out. The art starts today.